depression can be something that creeps in slowly, like a fog just rolling in. And depression is something that almost hijacks both your body and mind. But what if you could create that joy in your life again? You may be suffering in silence with symptoms such as perhaps struggling to get out of bed in the morning and just not having the same interest in things that you used to. You may have aches and body pains that you're beginning to worry about more. Worry that even you might have a serious physical illness. You might find that you can't seem to stop overeating and have gained many pounds. Or that you've gone back to drinking or smoking. Or maybe you're having trouble sleeping at night and simply feel exhausted all of the time. You may just be feeling mostly numb and crying. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, you'll know that depression is something that's hijacked both your body and mind. But could something as simple as hypnosis really offer relief for those symptoms? Well, what the research says about hypnosis. A 1995 study concluded that 75% of people fared better when receiving hypnosis in addition to traditional therapy. Hypnosis can help you to improve your coping abilities, to reframe past events, to rehearse new, more beneficial ways of thinking, to really calm your mind down, to start to feel hope and be able to focus on the present and the future. So really helping you live in the now and create that joy in your life again. So call now for your complimentary discovery consultation and let the changes begin.